Namaste, my friends. Welcome or welcome back. This very short video will be all about our shoulders. We'll do different exercises to make our shoulders feel better. So this is extremely needed for many poses, but most importantly for you to feel better. So if you want to do the wheel pose, for example, this is definitely a must thing for you. So what you need for the class? You will need a yoga strap, or actually over here I have simply a piece of cloth from my jacket, any belt, anything that you have at home, even the t-shirt will work, because this is what we will be working with. So if you're ready, take something long to help you, and I will be waiting for you on the yoga mat. So we start by simply bringing our hands on the knees, closing your eyes, and doing 3 inhales and exhales, simply relaxing the belly, the forehead, and preparing yourself for the practice, bringing all of the thoughts to the present moment. And now we open our eyes, raise our hands, interlock the fingers, open our hands, open our palms all the way up. Stretch nicely. And do a couple movements to the right and to the left first. And now I want you to stretch once again, all the way up. And with the exhale, we bring our hands back, bringing the chin towards the chest. Trying to make sure that your back is not arched too much. Inhale. With the exhale, we'll lower our hands. Now we bring them on the knees, and I want you to round your back, bringing the shoulders all the way forward. Don't forget to breathe. We're breathing with the nose. With the next inhale, we arc our back, bringing the shoulders down and back. Very well. Now you're ready to take the belt or the yoga strap, anything that you have. What we need to do, you need to grab it first at the quite long distance, let's say. So what we need to be able to go back, but without being able to bring your arms all the way back. So you need to stop where you feel the most tension. For example, for me, the most tension is over here. I show to you like that. Oh my gosh, that's the most tension. So we stay here. So this will be the length for you for today for this particular exercise. So what we do with the inhale, we raise our hands, and with the exhale, we'll lower them. I'll go seated in the simple pose. Inhale and exhale. Once again, inhale, exhale. 2 more times. Inhale, exhale, and the last one. Inhale and exhale. Now we go all the way up with the inhale, and we stay here. If you want, you can do a couple bounce movements back. That will be quite challenging. And now we hold for 3 breaths, long, very slow breaths. Don't cheat. And that will be the last one. Inhale. And with the exhale, we'll lower our hands. Now we grab the yoga belt much longer distance, because we will have to go all the way back and all the way forward. So what we do, grab the bigger length, inhale and exhale. When you do that, try to make sure, inhale and exhale. Couple movements, simply synchronize your breath with movement. The most important for you right now to understand whether the length is correct, that there should still be some tension when you're passing this uncomfortable zone. So it shouldn't be super easy for you. Kind of a bit of tension and then nice. If you want, you can also shorten the distance if you need from one time to another. Working on the shoulder mobility. Inhale and exhale. And now I want you to sit on your heels in the Vajrasana or the diamond pose. We grab the belt or the yoga strap, anything that you have from behind, and try to make sure that you grab it very short. Because what we need to do with the inhale, we raise a bit, increase our chest all the way up. And with the exhale, we lower ourselves and bring the hands all the way forward. You can also put your forehead on the ground. Try to make sure that your hands are shifting themselves all the way forward. If you want, you can also even here do a couple bouncing movements or not, the way you prefer. And then we hold this position for 3 breaths. With the next inhale, we raise and we release the hold and we put away the yoga strap. We don't need it anymore. Next thing, the right hand goes forward and we shift it to the left. Hold your elbow and try to bring your arm as close or as back as you can. Inhale, exhale, and the last one, inhale and exhale, release. And now the left hand goes forward. Now we bring it to the right and we hold our elbow and we start bringing our left arm closer to us and a bit back. With the inhale, relax. Now, sorry, but once again, we will need the yoga strap. So we grab it and we will do the Gomukhasana pose. It doesn't matter what we do with the legs. We're not doing the complete version. We're doing the Gomukhasana or the head of the cow for our hands. So I want you to grab your strap if you need the strap, of course, like it's not mandatory. We raise our right hand like that and we bend it in the elbow. And now I want you to also bend the left elbow and bring your arm as close to the right one behind your back as you can. It's nice to use the strap if you cannot make the hold with both hands. If you can make it, you don't need the strap and you can simply sit this way. Try to make sure that your back is not round. So the back is straight. If you can also start walking a bit closer to your right hand with the left one. You can stay here, or if you would like to deepen the position with the inhale, well, stretch a bit more, and with the exhale, we'll lower ourselves, putting the belly towards the thighs, forehead on the ground. You will feel a bit different tension, a bit different stretching here. With the next inhale, we raise and we release the hold. We do the same thing on the other side. So if you're using the belt, use the belt once again. If not, simply the left arm goes up, bend it in the elbow, and bend also the right elbow behind your back, trying to make the hold with your hands, or simply hold with both hands the yoga strap. Be sure that the back is not arched too much. Staying here in the Gomukhasana. Inhale if you would like to further Deepen the position, and with the exhale, we'll lower our belly on the thighs, lower our forehead on the ground. With the next inhale, we raise and we release the hold. You did a great job. It's super not easy. And now we sit with our legs crossed, put our hands on the thighs. And now I want you to feel the feelings in your shoulders and in your arms. Feel how the blood is flowing, how the energy is running. And with the next inhale, open your eyes. Thank you so much for doing this class with me. I really hope that you feel so much better. We worked really great on the mobility, elasticity, and opening of our shoulders. So please leave a comment how you feel. Put the thumbs up if you like this video. Share any other thought with me. I will be very grateful and very happy. See you on the yoga mat very soon. Namaste.